Ball. Can you do it again? Go run. Go on. Oh, you gonna take a nap? Can you go run? Go, go. Go do it again. Okay, go. What are you doing? You crawling? You just can't make it? You can't run? Oh, you quitting? What is she doing? You ready? Go! Run, 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 run. Oh, she falls down. You got in the pillows. Good job.
Do it again.
Oh, good job.
Do it again.
Are you done, Kennedy?
Do it again.
And beautiful. Where are you going? Where are you taking the pillows? Where are you going with that? Kennedy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'd like you to meet Debbie. Her story is just astounding. Thanks, Val. I've lost 221 pounds, and I did it with Jenny Craig. That's truly amazing.
Ready?
So amazing. Jenny's plan was easy.
Go!
Stick to it, control.
Go!
She was the key to it all. I know. I love my captain.
Yay!
Congrats, Deborah. Transformation.
Ha!
Jenny helped change my life completely.
Now lose 20 pounds for $20
Go!
plus the cost of food. Call 1-800-JENNY20.
Yay! Good job.
The just one more time patch.
Go!
Salon Pass gives you the pain relief power of a pill. And Salon Pass is the only FDA-approved OTC pain patch. It goes right to the side of your pain. It's the keeping up with Johnny.
Go!
Go!
And boy, do I feel better. Get the power of a pill.
Boom!
Salon Pass arthritis pain.
This is so funny.
Boom!
Hello, Dave.
Go.
What's going on? Hey, man.
Boom!
Yeah, it's only $24.99.
Bye-bye, Kennedy.
Boom!
Yeah, it does.
Kennedy, can you say bye-bye to the camera?